Now if you do need to remove the wheels from the MRT XC because you want to repair a puncture, or you want to make it as small as possible for putting in your car, they have a quick release wheel set on them. So all that's involved is there's a pin, a spring loaded pin here. So you just take the weight, usually on the assist handle up here, lift it off, pull it out. Push, and now when you need to refit it, there's that spring loaded pin there. So you just push that in with your thumb, slide it in, release the pin. Make sure the pin is popped back out. Pull on the wheel, back on again.